Since I don't get grounded sugar, I use this one like that. Since I found Jesus in my life today, bloody today, pure sugar syrup. Hiya. Happy Saturday, oh, last Saturday of the month. All those water that I added, see, just small. Let me add a little bit water because my hand is paining me. Just small. Besides, my sink is just making noise, dancing. So I'm going to use this and I'll keep it in a warm place for 30 minutes. Mona look percent have like yeah now where I did the iron. Who do me this thing? You see, once it's folding of clothes, count me out. Like once it's folding of clothes, count me out. I'm so lazy folding clothes. Finally. Yo, we are done packing. Okay, good morning. And we don't come the other day. That day what? Yesterday, you no come as too.
Yesterday, I was so good there.
Yo.
Go for them. They put on 700. 100. This one a foreign book for a reason.
It's fine.
No day like this one.
This one's now how much, Kwan?
That one, I even would put 500, but I don't get that one now.
Okay, let me make you put this foreign one. And 400.
Yes.
Yeah.
She was to give me 700. To know one, 500.
You don't try. Thank you so much. Marvelous. David, say hello. Say hello. Say good morning. That's Marvelous brother. Marvelous. See our stuff. I won't face her now. They're not done. So this is just the dance. I mean, I hate this hot plate, and this thing shake. Make that